Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Keurig K3000 SE espresso, Keurig machine. We usually repair espresso machines, but today we're repairing a Keurig. And let's see, so this machine had a big scale blockage in it. So my recommendation for the customer is to descale it at least quarterly, if not more often. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations. So let's go ahead and make a shot. I picked the 8-ounce cup. You can see we have a good strong flow. Before, the flow was very slow, almost non-existent, with the scale clogged.
Check and see. Can you find a fuse?
The hot water function.
I think they twist.
Oh, we just had to wait for the hot water to get hot enough, and then the light lights up. I didn't know that. And there we go, hot water. We're straight. So thank you for repairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.